moment of truth. It's working, guys. It's working. I'm really nervous right now, and you can. This is so brilliant, guys. This is so brilliant. I cannot explain you how cool it looks. Let me show you.
So the motherboard actually detected my modified header. Now I'm switching it to a mode called double rainbow flash. Let me click the apply button.
Whoa, guys, look at this. It looks so brilliant.
Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel MultiVerse Studio. My name is Babai. Though I am a VFX creator, but I also enjoy making other content as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make this modified header, how much did the ARGB strip cost me, and also going to share the connection diagrams that I have made for you. So let's jump into the video. So here I have purchased a WS2812B addressable RGB LED strip of 1 meter which has 60 LEDs per meter. It runs on 5 volt and its ampere is 60 milliamp per LED. So I have purchased it. Now you are watching the unboxing of this LED strip. It cost me around 440 rupees and with shipping it cost me around 490 rupees, which is really cheap for a addressable RGB strip of 1 meter. Here is the strip. It looks like this and it comes with a JST-SM 3-pin connector. So now this is the LED strip which is of 1 meter and I'm going to cut the LED strip into 2 pieces of 0.5 meter each, which will consist of 30 LEDs in one piece. So after cutting it, as you can see, it has a JST-SM 3-pin header, which is a female header which is of no use. That's why I'm cutting the wires. So before I start this modification process, I need to share this information that modification in PC parts or electronic device involves risk of damage and voids warranty. So please do not try this. If you want to connect a cheap ARGB LED strip, you can buy this kind of connectors which are called JST-SM to ARGB connectors, but sadly this kind of connectors are not available in India, so that's why I've created this modification. So please do not try this modification. It is very risky and it is not at all recommended to use this kind of headers. And here I am taking a PWM header from a old PC fan which doesn't work anymore, and let me just strip them real quick. So please do not skip this part because this is the most important part of the video. So as you can see, PWM fan header has 4 wires, whereas this LED strip has only 3 wires. Now here this is going to be very complicated. Try to understand this, that the left wire on the left hand side of the PWM connection will be connected to the 5 volt of the LED strip. The second left wire of the PWM fan header will be connected to the data, and the right hand side wire will be connected with the ground wire. The second right hand side wire will not be connected to anywhere and it will be leave as blank. You can pause the video and read the diagram that I have made it for you. So finally all the connections are created, and now let me tell you the specification that I am going to use it in my PC. Here I am using 30 LEDs of 60 milliamp each, which makes it 1800 milliamps, that is 1.8 amps, and my motherboard supports 3 amps in a single header. If you use lower amp in one header, that will not going to hurt your motherboard, but if I increase the number of LEDs, that will definitely going to hurt the motherboard because that will also increase the current of the LED, which will become 3.6 amps, and the rated voltage of a single header is 3 amps. So never increase the number of LEDs. Always be sure that you are in the range. Never exceed the maximum range of the voltage or amp of the header. So my fingers are crossed. Now I'm going to connect it to the ARGB header on my motherboard, and I have rechecked all the connections and I have connected it accordingly.
The moment of truth. It's working, guys. It's working. I'm really nervous right now, and you are seeing upside down. I'm really sorry for that. and you can this is so brilliant, guys. This is so brilliant. I cannot explain you how cool it looks. Let me show you.
So the moment of second truth. Now let me open the MSI Mystic Light software and hope it will be detected. And yes, it is detected, guys. I have connected this in J Rainbow 1 connector, which is detected, and I can change the colors, I can change the modes, the effects, everything is working perfectly fine. And I'm really amazed that my DIY modified adapter is detected by the MSI software, which is absolutely amazing. I'm really stunned. I'm really excited right now. I can't explain how happy I am right now. So if you have ARGB fans, in fans the number of LEDs are limited, that's why it looks something else. But in LED strips, all the effect looks completely strange and completely different, which makes it really beautiful, and I am really amazed. All the effect looks something totally different from what I was looking at my fan. If you want, you can enjoy the lighting effects. Now I am not going to talk and I will put a music so that it will be a smooth experience for all of you. Enjoy the lighting effects of this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please drop a like and also share this video with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe me by clicking this red button and make it gray, and also click this notification bell so that you will never miss this kind of videos. If you watch till the end, I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much and have a great time, and I will catch you up in my next video. Take care, stay safe and have a great time. Thanks for watching. Bye.